Nitrek is the world's first tactical shoe light and was born from proven technology that has kept night runners running in more than 50 countries around the world. Night runner shoe lights have been featured on Shark Tank, Outside Magazine, Discovery Channel, Forbes, Men's Journal, and nearly 100 other global media outlets. The new Nitrek 270 safely lights your way from dusk until dawn with hands-free lighting. The ultra-light and ultra-bright tactical shoe lights illuminate the path ahead and provide visibility from all sides, allowing you to follow your adventure any time of day or night. Nitrek's patented technology features two ultralight shoe lights completely illuminating the path ahead, while rear-facing red taillights keep the wearer visible from all sides. The water-resistant housing also provides an ultralight adjustable shoelace clip, keeping the Nitrek secure and in place on any shoe. Nitrek offers two tactical shoe light models, the Nitrek 270 and the Nitrek Extreme. The Nitrek 270 features 3 to 5 hours of battery life and a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The 150 lumen lights provide up to 30 feet of forward visibility. The Nitrek Extreme takes your adventure to the next level with a 3 to 10 hour rechargeable and replaceable battery pack, while the 400 lumen lights provide a beam distance of over 50 feet. Nitrek Extreme also features optional Bluetooth performance controls, allowing the user to receive pace, distance, and time flash alerts, as well as altitude monitoring and the ability to adjust light intensity on the fly. Nitrek tactical shoe lights are sure to become your favorite piece of adventure gear, whether trail or urban running, hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, or even walking the dog. Nitrek will enhance your adventure while keeping the path visible and your journey safe. Nitrek tactical shoe lights. Adventure more.
Surefire designs and builds the world's finest illumination tools. Now we've created the Titan Plus, the world's finest professional-grade keychain light. This rechargeable, ultra-compact light attaches to your keys so you and your loved ones always have it with you, which is essential. It's ideal for getting around in the dark, which of course includes keeping you safe, but there's also hundreds of other everyday uses. The Titan Plus's broad, perfectly tapered max vision beam, produced by its top-shelf LED and our special faceted reflector, creates a smooth, perfect light that matches your field of vision. And you can easily access its low, medium, and high output levels from its bezel to help you accomplish just about any task. Plus, it includes a quick detached keyring that allows you to separate the light from your keys with just a twist. And its removable pocket clip gives you many secure carry options. You get all this light output, 300 unprecedented lumens on high, from an ultra-compact nickel-plated brass body that's great looking and durable with a lifetime guarantee. There's nothing else like it. Titan Plus.
Hey, this is Toby, and this is the PD35 version 2 from Fenix. Let's check out its features as well as how it compares to the PD35 TAC. The PD35 V2 has 6 lighting modes, including 5 brightness levels and strobe. It now blasts 1,000 lumens over 250 yards. Only 1 inch round and just under 5.5 inches long, it is the perfect size for any situation. So how does this compare to the PD35 TAC? Well, everything is just about the same: size, weight, and performance. Except the PD35 TAC has 2 operating modes, tactical and outdoor. Tactical mode operates turbo, low, and strobe with the tail cap. Outdoor mode operates all lighting modes with the side switch. The PD35 only uses the tail cap for on-off and momentary on, and the side switch for the modes. And the PD35 has a battery level indicator on the switch, where the PD35 TAC only flashes when the battery is very low. The PD35 version 2 from Fenix. Get yours today at phenixlighting.com.
Yeah.